Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato salsa, only way. Start by seeding and finely chopping ripe tomatoes, red onion, jalapeno, and cilantro, then mix with fresh lime juice, salt, and a touch of olive oil. Taste and adjust acidity or heat, let rest for 30 minutes to meld flavors, and serve chilled with chips or atop tacos for bright, fresh, homemade salsa everyone will enjoy today. Gather ripe tomatoes, 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno, a handful of cilantro, 1 lime, salt, and optional olive oil. Chop everything to a consistent size so each bite tastes balanced. If you want milder heat, remove jalapeno seeds and ribs, keep them for more kick. Mix, taste, and tweak with more lime or salt until it sings. Chill briefly so the salsa becomes bright and cohesive when served. Play with small adjustments to find your perfect salsa profile, starting with lime for brightness and salt to enhance natural sweetness. If tomatoes are too acidic, a pinch of sugar smooths the edge without making it dessert. For smoky depth, try a small pinch of smoked chili or char the tomatoes briefly. Remember to taste as you go and let the salsa rest so the flavors develop fully before serving to friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.